So filters are used for formatting data displayed to the user. So this is a way of displaying data to the user. So filters can be added to the expressions by using the pipe character. So we can include the expressions in HTML tags using double flower brackets, right? So this is the expression. So we can create the expressions in AngularJS using double braces, flower brackets. So we can include the filters also in expressions by using pipe character. So filters are added to the directives like ng repeat by using pipe character. So for example, we can take the example of date. So we can display the date format to the user in different formats like date, month, year, month, date, year, okay, and the full month name and a day name and uh, time, minutes and seconds also we can display to the user. So like this, so we can display the data in ascending order, descending order, and we can search the data from collection of from the number of records. Okay, so using filters we can do all these things. So filters are, so these 9 types. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, currency filter, number, date, order by filter, and uppercase and lowercase. So this uppercase, lowercase, and this uppercase and lowercase, those are, these four are same. Okay, here uppercase, lowercase, and these uppercase and lowercase are same. So we need to focus on these five only. So currency filter, number, date, and order by filter. For example, you want to display the data in uppercase characters, okay, to the user, so we can use this uppercase filter. Otherwise, if you want to display the data in the lowercase characters, use this lowercase character. So these filters are converted text to the uppercase and lowercase. And this currency filter uh, convert the number into the currency, and also we can add currency symbol to the number also. So actually this is our application. So in last session I explained Git and Node. Okay, through terminal we can run this example. Git bash npm start. Okay, use this command to run the application. So we can edit this application in Visual Studio. Clients mission overview. Okay, in clients, so I want to display some 2 3 clients in the table format. Okay, from this controller, a clients controller. So create this controller, my update controller. scope dot clients equal to, so I want to display the clients. So client name, okay, email, okay, otherwise we can display some employees information instead of clients. emp name, um, email id at gmail.com, and salary, so we can take this. Okay, this is one employee information, and comma, emp name, and email id, comma, at gmail. Next, salary, next, third employee information, email id, funny at gmail. Okay, so this is employees information. So I want to display this employee information in table format in client's page. So we can use ng repeat directive to display the all employees in the template. So create table, HTML table. So we can use t head. Okay, this is header tag. In header, we can take column names like employee name, mail ID, and salary. emp name, email ID, and salary. Next, table body. So we can take one row and use ng repeat directive. emp in employees. So this is our object, employees object. So from this object we can take one record each time. td. So we can take this expression to display the employee names. emp dot emp name. Okay, so these variable names are should be same. emp name in second column, emp email id, emp dot salary. Okay, only 3 columns. So if we run this example, okay, this example is available in localhost 8000. So directly go to this browser, localhost 8000. So clients. So here you can see the employees information in table format. Border collapse, TD. 1 pixel solid. So refresh this example. So in table format, the employees information is displaying. So now here I want to display employee names in uppercase characters. Okay, now these employees names are in all are small letters. Okay, instead of starting letter, all are lowercase characters. So I want to display these total employees names in uppercase. So we can use this filter, okay, uppercase filter, to display the record, okay, to convert the text to the uppercase. Use pipe character uppercase. Okay, appropriate in column object. So we can use this filter. Okay, include pipe character, and this is the filter name uppercase. So save this and refresh this example. Now you can see, so total employees names are, okay, text converted to uppercase. So now if these names are in uppercase, okay, so assume that this data is coming from database. Okay, in database also the data like this. So if you want to convert this names, okay, text to the lowercase characters, here you can use lowercase. Save this and again refresh this example. So now the names are displaying lowercase characters. Okay, so this is uppercase and lowercase characters, lowercase and uppercase filters. So lowercase converts string to the lowercase and uppercase converts string to the uppercase. So just use pipe character and add filter name to that column. So the text convert to the uppercase and lowercase. So next, currency filter. So format a number as a currency. So in this example, we given salary in just number only. Okay, 30,000 and 20,000 and 50,000, 15,000. So here I want to display this number in um, currency format. So like I want to add currency symbol and commas to that number. So use this currency format. So here you can see pipe character, and use currency filter name. And this is the um, HTML code to display the Indian rupee symbol. So by default it will take dollar symbol. So if you use this like this, it will take by default dollar symbol. Okay, here I use only currency filter name and run this example. You can see now this number is displaying in currency format, and by default it is taken dollar symbol to that amount. And if you want to display the currency symbol based on country, you can use HTML codes is there. You can search in Google to this color codes. You can find out the color codes, currency symbol codes, and you can update here. So this code display Indian rupee symbol. Okay. So if you add this currency format, the number will be displayed in currency format. Okay, in two types we can use. So without this format directly we can use this currency, otherwise use this code to the display currency symbol based on current country name. Next, number format. So format a number as a text. If the input is null or defined, it will just be returned. If the input is infinite, the infinite symbol is returned. Okay, if the input is not a number, an empty string is returned. So this number format display the numbers with uh, formatting like after digits, how many numbers you want to display, you can specify this. Okay, and decimal numbers. For example, you can take one more column, just test column. So you can take some number. You can take this number in like this. So we can use this number format to display without fractions. If you want to display the number without fractions, like without, if you want to display the number without this decimal numbers, if you want to only display this for this part only, use this number for filter like this. So you can specify the fractions here. So test column, test. So by default the numbers are displaying as it is without using filter. So use filter to display this number in particular format. Use number. So this number format display like this. Okay, after digits, three three digits will be displayed. Okay, after point, and this number also converted like this. And after the how many fractions if you want to display, you can specify like here. You can specify this 2 3 like this. Okay, after point, two digits are displaying. If you don't want to display fractions, use 0. Okay, only numbers are displaying. And you can display the negative numbers like this. Directly you can specify the minus here. So this minus will be displayed in output. Okay, negative numbers. For no fractions, we have to use like this, and this is the default formatting, and this is no fractions, and this is negative number format. Next, date filter. So date filter convert the date to the specified format. Convert the date to the specified format. So formats date to a string based on the requested format. So we can specify the custom date format. Okay, like this. So this format display the date in year, month, and day name. Okay, and this format display the date with the full date format. So here we can take one more column, Jan date. Zero two and 0 11 and 13. Okay, date, month, year. I'm giving this format. Otherwise, month, date, year also we can take. Month and date. Okay, so this is the Jan date, and we can display this Jan date in table. emp dot join date. So now run this example. Okay, this join date are displaying without any format. So now we can use date formats. So use pipe character and date. So refresh this example. So there is no change in the date format. So we can use this filter date, this filter, full date filter. Okay, this one also not converting. So because we have to uh, give the date here, here month and day format. Okay, so now refresh this example. Here you can see Monday, February 11, 2013. Okay, so this format is displaying using this filter. Okay, full date filter. So remove this filter and see the output. Okay, only February 11, 2013. So this format displaying like this only. Okay, month name and date and year. So if you use this filter, full date, full month name and day name and date and year also displaying. So also you can display only month, okay, or only you can display the year and you can display the date only. So here I want to display only year. So use 4 Ys. Okay, this format display only years only. Okay, 2013, 15 and 14. Only years are displaying. So from this date. So you can display only month also. 4 Ms. Okay, if you use 4 Ms, it will display the full month name. Okay, February, October and June. If you use 2 Ms only, half month name only display like Feb, March. Okay, month names are displaying. 3 Ms display only half name. Okay, Feb, October and June. So like this. You can use D to display date. Only date. Okay, 11, 12 and 18. You can use caps D um, instead of cap. 2, 10, 16. Small m's. 0, 0. Triple E. Okay, to display day names. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You can use 4 E's to display full day name. So like this. So this is the format the data displayed to the user. So this using these filters. And next one, order by. So in date filter you can create your custom date filter like this. Okay, this is the actually date object. So in pipe character and date equal to year. Okay, year only month. Okay, year and month and day only displaying. So this format. Okay, this next one is order by. So orders a specified array by the expression predicate. It is ordered alphabetically for strings and numerically for numbers. So you can display this order by. You can use this order by filter to display the data order by alphabetically for strings and numerically for numbers. Here already 3 employees names is there. Okay, so we can order these employees names. Okay, alphabetically. So first, so this is in order, I think. Here in ng repeat, so not in tds. In ng repeat, use pipe character order by b caps. Use emp name. So this is the column name. So we have to use column name. So based on this column name, the data is ordered. Arish, Kamar, and Funny. So the data is in order. So now we can first Kamal, Harish, and Funny. So 2 employees is there, and 3 employees. Now Harish, Kamal, and Funny. Okay, order is changed. In our data, Kamal, Harish, and Funny, and Harish, Kamal, and Funny. Okay, this data is ordered based on alphabetically. And also you can specify the based on numbers also. Okay, so 1 2 3. So you can specify this test column. Now you can see, first of all, funny data is displaying, and second one Kamal, and third one Harish displaying. But data is Kamal, Harish, and funny. Okay, but data order is changed based on numeric values. Okay, and so data is ordered by alphabetically for string values and numerical for number values. So we can specify the filter in ng repeat directive. So next filter is a filter. So filter name, select a subset of items from array and return it is an new array. For example, in our HTML page, so 1000 records is there. So for example, if you want to search for one record, okay, so you can give the search option to that thousand records. So in the scenario, in this scenario, you can take one text box and type equal to text ng model search string. So this is variable name. Okay, text box. So so I want to search the record from this collection of number of records in the table. So when you type the text, when you type the record in text box, automatically the record is searched from this number of records and display the record in this table only. For this filter, directly you can add here only. One more pipe character you can use and filter search string. So this variable name and this variable name should be same. Okay. So when you type a text here in this text box, so based on this text, the data is filtered in this table. Okay, so now here I need the record of Harish. Okay, so when you type the text in text box, so automatically the data is filtered from these records. Okay, uh, the whole page is not refreshing, right? Only the particular part of the table only refreshing. Okay, without loading total page, the particular part is refreshing from this filter using this filter. So like this you can search any record and you can search using any column. Okay, so 5000, 15,000, like so I want to search the record of 30,000 salary. Okay, like this you can give. So this is the filter. So you can provide the filter using pipe character. Okay, in ng repeat directive, one more pipe character we can use, and this is filter name, and this is the variable name. Okay, ng model variable name. This variable ng ng model directive binds the text of this text box and apply this text in the table. So based on this string, the data is filtered from table. Next, uppercase and lowercase. So this also same, but this uppercase and lowercase filters are predefined methods in AngularJS. Okay, no need to use pipe character to convert the text to the uppercase and lowercase. So directly you can give this here only. For example, scope dot client name equal to test client. Okay, this is client name. So I want to display this client name in uppercase characters. So you can take one paragraph here. Okay, so client name, copy this variable name and paste here. So this client name will be displayed in browser. Okay, in output as it is. So here I want to display this client name in uppercase characters. So without using filter here, pipe character. So use angular dot uppercase. Okay, the text is converted to the uppercase characters. Okay, so this uppercase and lowercase, you can use this lowercase to convert the text to the lowercase. Okay, this is in uppercase. Now we can update this lowercase. Okay, text is displaying in lowercase. So like this we can use uppercase and lowercase filters also like this. So these are our predefined methods, uppercase and lowercase. So these filters are works same as uppercase and lowercase filters. Next, AngularJS events. So events also, you know the events like in JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, ng like on click, on double click. Okay, on mouse over, on mouse out. So like this, we can use the events in AngularJS also. So already we used ng click direct, like ng click event. So when you click on the button, so you can display the employees information, right? Value equal to display emp info, use ng click. So this is the event, okay, in AngularJS, but we can call this as directive. So ng click directive and create the function. So call the function name here. In JavaScript, so directly we can use on click, right? So instead of using on click, so we can use ng click to execute the function in AngularJS. So you can create this function in controller, scope dot my function. Okay, when you click on this button, so the data implies information displayed in table format. So run this example. Okay, now data is displaying. So like this we can practice these events like ng blur, ng change, okay, ng click, ng copy, double click, key down, okay, ng mouse enter, ng mouse leave. So we can use just ng mouse enter. So ng mouse enter. So here client name is displaying. When our mouse pointer enter into this paragraph, so we can change the text color. Okay, so use ng mouse enter event and execute the function change color. Scope dot change color equal to function scope dot text color. So this is the variable name, use red color. So use this variable name here, use ng style directive equal to background color text color. Text color. Okay, right. So now run this example. So I want to want to change the text color when mouse enter. and no errors also, but it is not working. ng mouse center. Mouse center ng style. Okay, color is added. Ng style red color, but color is not showing here. Mouse center. Mouse move example. Okay, so count using engines init directive, count variable is initialized with a 0 value. When our mouse pointer enter into this paragraph, count value increase. Run this example. Okay, count is increased 1, again 2, 3. When our mouse enter into the paragraph, the value is changing. Okay, 4, 5, 6. So like this, mouse center event will work. So like this, we can do the examples on focus, key down, key press. Okay, and all these example directives. Okay, so all these are mouse events: ng mouse center, mouse over, and mouse move and mouse leave. Next, mouse button events: mouse down and mouse up and click.